Maybe you're offering things like repairs, consulting, training, or appointments, but you're not quite sure how to bring those services into an online storefront that actually work. We're going to walk through how to sell services on Shopify in a way that's simple, scalable, and built for busy business owners like you. So the big question a lot of people ask is Shopify actually good for selling services? And the short answer is yes, absolutely. First off, one of the biggest advantages is that you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping logistics. Since you're selling a service, whether it's a consultation, a class, or a local repair job, there's no warehouse, no packaging, and no shipping delays to deal with. Now, another reason Shopify works so well is that it comes with a lot of built-in features that make service-based selling easier. You can integrate scheduling tools directly into your storefront, and you also get access to marketing features like email campaigns and abandoned cart recovery. Plus, Shopify is built to scale. So whether you're just starting out or you're ready to expand to multiple locations or offerings, the platform grows with you. You don't have to rebuild everything from scratch as your business evolves. If you're looking for some real-world inspiration, take a look at shops like The Cyclical Seed, which offers spiritual guidance and coaching, or Mr. OK's Essentials, which combines wellness services and digital product. Both of these businesses are using Shopify to manage and sell their services in a clean, professional, and automated way. So yes, Shopify isn't just for physical products. It's actually a powerful tool for service-based businesses, especially if you want to keep things streamlined, modern, and scalable. Let's walk through how to actually set up your store. First, let's talk about choosing the right Shopify plan. If you're just getting started, the basic plan is usually more than enough. It gives you everything you need to launch your store, including a free theme, access to apps, and basic report. Not sure which plan is best for your setup? You can check out a tool like the Ecommerce AI Website Advisor. I'll drop the link below. It helps you figure out the right plan based on your specific business needs, so you don't have to guess. All right, let's move into the actual setup. First step is to sign up and configure your store. Next, you'll want to add your service. Head to the products section in your Shopify dashboard and click Add Product. Here's where you'll enter your service name, a clear description, the price, and how long it lasts. Whether it's a 30-minute consultation, a 1-hour training session, or a 2-week coaching package. Now make sure to remove the inventory and shipping settings since you're not sending out a physical product. If you offer multiple versions of a service like different session lengths or tiers, you can use variants. For example, if you're a fitness coach, you might offer a single session, a 5-session bundle, and a premium package with nutrition advice. Once your services are listed, it's time to optimize them for search. This is a step a lot of people skip, but it makes a big difference. Shopify, by default, doesn't come with built-in tools for booking appointments or scheduling services. The good news is there are some great apps built specifically for this. Let me walk you through a few of the top options that work really well for service-based businesses. First up is Appointo. This is one of the most popular scheduling apps for Shopify. It's great if you want to automate the booking process completely. Things like availability calendars, automatic confirmations, rescheduling, and reminders are all handled for you. If you're short on time and want to set it and forget it solution, this one is a solid pick. The only downside is that the interface takes a few minutes to learn, but once it's set up, it really runs on autopilot. Next is Sesame. If your business has both online and in-person services, like a retail shop that also offers in-store consultations or appointments, Sesame is a great fit. Another one to look at is Calendar. It's a newer app with a sleek design, and it's great if you want something lightweight and easy to set up. It doesn't have quite as many features as Appointo or Sesame, but for small teams offering straightforward services, it's more than enough. And it looks really clean on the storefront. All right, now let's talk about how to design a storefront that actually helps you get bookings. When someone lands on your site, the way your store looks and feels has a huge impact on whether they stick around or bounce. And when you're selling services, it's even more important to build trust quickly and make it easy for someone to take action. Let's start with the theme. If you're not sure where to begin, don't worry, Shopify actually makes it pretty easy. You can use the Shopify theme store and apply filters to find themes that are clean, professional looking, and mobile friendly. These are the key features you want to focus on. Start by adding testimonials If someone's never worked with you before, seeing that others have had a great experience can make all the difference in whether they hit that book now button. Speaking of that, make sure your calls to action are clear and easy to find. Add buttons like book now, schedule your session, or get started throughout your site, especially near key service descriptions. You can also add a live chat feature, which helps people who are on the fence get answers quickly. Tools like Tidio or Gorgias are easy to install and let you chat in real time or even automate replies to common questions. This keeps people engaged and moving forward instead of dropping off when they're unsure. Let's talk about the payment and checkout process. Shopify gives you a few solid choices here. You can use Shopify Payments, which is built into the platform, and also enable PayPal and Stripe if your clients prefer those. Now let's shift to the actual checkout page. One of the best things you can do here is reduce unnecessary friction. You can also use the checkout to boost your revenue with one-click upsells. For example, if someone books a massage, you might offer an upgrade like aromatherapy or a longer session. If you're a business coach, maybe you add a downloadable workbook or a discounted second session. These kinds of add-ons are easy to implement with the right app, and they make your checkout work harder for you without needing extra marketing. So once your store is live and ready to take bookings, the next question is, how do you actually get people to find you and book your services? First up is SEO, search engine optimization. If you've listed your services properly and written clear descriptions, you're already halfway there. But to take it a step further, focus on using long-tail keywords. These are more specific phrases that people are actually searching for, like online fitness coaching for beginners or virtual bookkeeping service for small businesses. Next is email marketing automation. With tools like Klaviyo or Shopify email, you can set up simple automation flows, like a follow-up email after someone visits a service page but doesn't book, or a reminder when their last appointment was a few weeks ago. These little nudges can bring people back at just the right time, and they help you stay top of mind. Then there's social media, which is huge for service-based businesses, especially visual or personal ones like coaching, beauty, fitness, or wellness. Instagram is great for showcasing your brand and building trust with potential clients. And finally, let's talk about paid traffic, specifically Google Ads and retargeting. These can be really effective once you've got your store dialed in and want to scale. For example, I worked with a local wellness brand that used Google Ads to target people searching for virtual therapy near me. The key with all of this is consistency. You don't have to do everything at once, but pick one or two channels that align with your audience and focus on building momentum there. The next big question is, how do you scale without burning out? The good news is Shopify gives you a lot of tools to help you grow your business. First, take advantage of Shopify's built-in analytics. This is where you can track how your business is actually performing. You'll be able to see revenue trends, which services are being booked most often, and even how many repeat clients you're getting. These insights are super valuable because they help you make smarter decisions, like which services to promote, when to run discounts, or where to double down on marketing. Next, let's talk about automating client engagement. One of the simplest ways to save time is by using a chatbot, especially for answering common questions. Now, if you're looking to expand beyond your Shopify storefront, you've got a couple of solid options. You can sell your services through Facebook Shop and Instagram Shopping by connecting your catalog. That makes it easy for people to discover and book directly through social platforms they already use every day. And if you offer something that works well on a recurring basis, like weekly coaching, monthly treatments, or digital memberships, you might consider adding subscriptions. Shopify supports this with third-party apps, and it's a great way to create consistent, predictable income without needing to constantly resell each session. Scaling doesn't always mean doing more. It often means doing things more efficiently, and with the right systems in place, you can keep growing without adding more stress to your plate. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit that like button. It really helps more people like you discover this kind of content. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on growing your business with Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.